And let's begin with the latest updates coming in. After the Waqf bill was passed in Parliament, we're seeing heavy security being deployed in different parts of the country ahead of Friday prayers. These are images coming in of a flag march being conducted in Sambhal, in Lucknow, even images of a flag march in Delhi. Now, the national capital has been fortified ahead of Friday prayers, and this because of the fact that you had the Waqf bill being passed in Parliament, so officials leaving nothing to chance, ensuring that all necessary preparations and precautions are taken up. Samarth Srivastava is joining us live from Lucknow with more details on this. Samarth, different parts of Uttar Pradesh particularly, we understand security has been beefed up ahead of Friday prayers.
Well, exactly, Akshita. Security has been beefed up in Uttar Pradesh and especially in Lucknow, the old Lucknow. And I'm reporting from the area where we saw anti-CAA protest happen. And right there, if you see the security cover out here, you'll get the sense how the women constables, even SSB Jawans, all stationed here in large numbers. They have got the helmets, they have got the canes and everything from which they can control any riot-like situation. While there is the iconic clock tower of Lucknow, and this had become a sense of area where we saw the many protests during the CAA. But if you see this area now, that area has completely been barricaded by the UP police. As you see, whatever the place of entrance here, so that not much people could gather here to do the protest in the name of Waqf bill. That's why you can see a lot of barricades, some zigzag protests, some zigzag barricades, some normal barricades put here to avoid any public gathering here. So that any protest must not happen in the name of Friday prayers, and that's why such security cover is right there. While if you see that picture, many Jawans of UP police also is stationed at that part of area where there is Bada Imam Bada, Chota Imam Bada and the Tilewali Masjid. So all the forces have come here in the buses, in the trucks to ensure a peaceful namaz at a time when Waqf bill is in the talks in the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, so that no public gathering must happen and especially no protest must happen to avoid any confusion amid the citizens of UP and Lucknow. So and that's why such forces have been equipped here, such barricades are into enforce. Back to you.
Okay, so a lot of precautions being taken up. Where Samarth is standing, he tells us this is where you saw a lot of the CAA protests taking place in Lucknow. So officials leaving nothing to chance. And we understand, Samarth, similar arrangements have been made in different parts of Uttar Pradesh, areas deemed sensitive, like Sambhal, which has witnessed riots.
Well, exactly, Akshita. Not just Sambhal, even Meerut, every area, every particular area which seems to be sensitive in terms of Friday prayers, and that's why UP DGP Prashant Kumar has issued orders and ensured that all police stations coming in the range of those mosque Eidgahs which can turn into a protest ground could be seen, because we saw how the black ribbon was taken up by a lot of namazis during the Friday prayers, be it on the day of Eid or during the Alvida ki namaz, and that's why we are seeing a lot of security personnel, Jawans of UP police and some women constables as well, because we can also see some women protesters out here during CAA protest. We saw more number of women, and so that you see the women force out here, women constables out here, women officers out here to ensure that no mishappening must happen and things would go peacefully, so that to avoid any confusion, because also social media is another task for the force of Uttar Pradesh, because UP police officials are clearly saying that many misinformative messages are being circulated on WhatsApp, and social media and cyber teams are ensuring to avoid any such misconfusion between the people of one particular community, and to ensure that cyber teams of UP police are active on social media and clearing any rumors whatsoever regarding the Waqf bill. While if you come on the ground, you see these women constables, women officers, even the Jawans of UP police and also the SSP forces all stationed around the areas, be it Ashbagh Eidgah, be it Tilewali Masjid or Bada Imam Bada or the clock tower from where we are reporting.
All right. Thanks very much, Samarth, for joining us with those live updates. We'll keep a close track on the developments coming in ahead of Friday prayers. Massive security blanket in different parts of the country. Images on your screens from Sambhal, Lucknow and Delhi, where there's heightened security, keeping in mind the fact that the Waqf bill has just been passed. Officials taking no chances whatsoever.